Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some swatches and review of refractory glitter gel polish from Bonprix. So these are from Amazon and they cost £19.99, but you get 6 bottles. So I think it's a pretty good deal because if you're going to buy them separately, there's going to be one going to cost about £5. So even if you buy 6, it's going to be over 30. So the box design comes in yellow, and the title of the series is Shine Myself. And then you get this little manual where they say how you're gonna apply it and how you're gonna remove it. So they come in with 6 bottles. They are in black, in golden, and in white color, the classic Bonprix colors, for 7 ml bottles. And the first shade is this one, BPCL04. It's a beautiful purplish color, and look at that shine. I mean, they look so pretty. Obviously I'm using the ring light, so basically you can't see it, like you can't see the reflection, but later on I'm gonna share with you under the flashlight so that you can see them clearly. And as they're glitter gel polish, they do give you kind of jelly finish, and basically you need to go for 2 or 3 coats. It depends how much cover you want. So next shade is BP0CR05, and it's a bluish kind of ink color, and again it's got the glitter in it. You can see that they are pretty shiny, like even if under the ring light and not even under the flashlight, you can still see the shine, and they're very good. And again, it's a glitter gel polish and it doesn't give you full coverage, and you have to go definitely for 2 coats. Look at that glitter. So next shade is BPCL06. It's a beautiful sea green color. For all these 6, this one is definitely my favorite one. I love this one. So for this one, I think you can create nail arts for kind of winter themed. They're gonna look very good, but this one is again not giving you full coverage in just 1 coat because it's a glitter. So you need to remember it when you're buying it, that they don't wanna give you full coverage in just 1 coat. Actually, they do state it in their manual that for glitters they're not gonna give you full coverage. So basically they are saying it, so they're not hiding anything from you. So next shade is BPCR01. It's a beautiful silver glitters. This one is actually gonna look like diamonds when you're gonna put it under your flashlight. And one normal thing is that they are very smooth when you apply them. They are not tacky, they are kind of liquidy, so you're not gonna pick up actually much product, so you don't gonna worry about having uncured gel or having a thick layer of gel because they are actually liquid. So the next shade is BPCR02. It's again my favorite one. I love this one as well. It's kind of coral shade, perfect for ultimo or spring nail arts. And again, the brush size is actually pretty good. It's not too big, too small. It's perfect for the nail arts. And again, the bottles are 7 ml bottle. So even if you're getting 7 ml bottle, you're getting enough quantity of gel polish just at £19.99. So the next shade is BPCR03. This one is not actually red. It's kind of darkish red color, you can say. And this is how it does look like. Another thing is that they do no smell of chemical. Like basically most of the gel polish do have that smell of chemicals, and you can't use them for a long time, and they can give you like dizzy, make you feel dizzy. This one does no smell at all, so you're gonna be safe. I mean, if you want to use that for a long period, or you're creating a nail art that's gonna take you long, it obviously not gonna harm you, you can say. So now I'm gonna show you the bottles under the flashlight so that you can see how does this gel polish do look like. I'm gonna leave you with the music in background, so enjoy it. does all 6 colors look like, and you can see after 2 coats they do look really pretty. So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.